Hallo Ruki, hallo Effi, hallo Lanz, alles Gute zum Geburtstag. Happy Birthday, bleib gesund. Liebe Grüße aus Deutschland. Ciao, ciao.
Happy birthday tatay. Sana umalawa pa nimo kinabuhi ngan good health. Enjoy. Happy birthday ngayon luat kan mama. Happy birthday mama. I wish you all the best. Good health and many more birthday to come. Enjoy ka mga dua. Sana tagang pa kaman mo pa nga lawas. I love you ay yung nga dua, tatay and mama. Madyong la ka mga dua para pero may healthy. Pero may magkusog basta may maradyong. Sige, banat.
Happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful birthday today. And Mama, happy birthday, Luan. Hello, Tatay. Happy birthday.
Stay healthy, stay strong.
Stay strong ka mo ni Lola. Enjoy your night. And thank you for taking care of us. And enjoy your night with your friends and family. And happy birthday also to my Lola LB. Ooh. Happy birthday, Tatay. Bye-bye. Bye, Taton.
Happy birthday kan tatay, okay? Adi ako naiya apo. Nagyayakan nga tagang pahiyahin ilabang nga kinabuhi. Ngahin damo pa nga birthday para damot sa lapi. Pero ay na pagminadyong. Tama na pagminadyong, ha?
Happy birthday, Tatay. I hope your day is special and I hope you have a good health.
Hayang ko, Luki. Musta? Happy birthday. Hinay permi ha. Magkikirig ta pa kita. Happy birthday.